Are you ready for the ultimate snack hack that's taking the summer by storm? Introducing the walking s'mores, the portable treat that will leave you craving for more. With just 4 ingredients and 10 minutes of your time, you'll have a delicious and easy dessert that's perfect for camping trips, backyard bonfires, or simply satisfying your sweet tooth. Yields: 4 servings. Prep time: 5 minutes. Total time: 10 minutes. Calories per serving: 154. S'mores have always been a beloved summer treat, and now they've been transformed into a snack that's as convenient as it is tasty. Inspired by the Frito pie, another campfire favorite, these walking s'mores come in snack-sized cookie bags that you can take anywhere. And trust me, once you try them, you'll want to keep a stash of milk chocolate bars and marshmallows handy for impromptu s'more sessions. Tips and tricks: making walking s'mores is a breeze, but there are a few pointers that will ensure you get the best results. Here's what you need to know. 1. Rip open the long side of the bag. Instead of tearing the top of the bag, which is the usual method, opt for ripping one of the longer sides. This creates a wider opening, making it easier to add the marshmallows and enjoy your s'mores without spilling them everywhere. 2. Sandwich the marshmallows. When assembling your walking s'mores, layer the marshmallows between the cookies and chocolate instead of mixing everything together. This prevents the marshmallows from sticking to the bag and ensures that each bite has a perfect balance of flavors. 3. Wait before indulging. It might be tempting to dive right in after adding the marshmallows, but give the s'mores a moment to rest. Waiting for just 30 seconds allows the heat from the marshmallows to melt the chocolate, resulting in a gooey, melty texture that defines the s'mores experience. Ready to create your own walking s'mores? Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 4 assorted 1 ounce. Snack-sized cookie bags, such as Teddy Grahams, Mini Chips Ahoy, Oreo Minis, and Nutter Butter Bites. 1 1.55-ounce Hershey's chocolate bar, broken into 12 rectangular pieces. Divided: 8 marshmallows, divided. Instructions: 1. Tear or cut open the long side of each cookie bag. Remove half of the cookies and set them aside. Add 2 chocolate pieces to each bag. 2. Stack 2 marshmallows on a long metal roasting stick or skewer. Toast them over a campfire or under the broiler until they reach your desired level of doneness. 3. Make sure the marshmallows are no longer on fire. Use a fork or one of the reserved cookies to transfer the marshmallow onto the chocolate in the bag. Top with another chocolate piece and the reserved cookies. Repeat with the remaining bags. 4. Allow the s'mores to sit for 30 seconds to 1 minute to let the marshmallows heat melt the chocolate. Serve with forks and enjoy. Have you tried making walking s'mores? Share your experience in the comments section below. But here's where it gets controversial. Some purists argue that the true essence of s'mores lies in the traditional method of roasting marshmallows over an open flame. What do you think? Is the convenience of walking s'mores worth sacrificing the campfire ritual? Share your thoughts, and let's start a conversation. And this is the part most people miss. While walking s'mores offer unparalleled portability, they also allow for customization. Experiment with different types of cookies, chocolates, and even add-ins like peanut butter or fruit preserves to create your own signature s'mores recipe. What unique twist would you put on this classic treat?